This video is about data analyst role where you can work remotely from home. The estimated salary is around 63,000 per month, and here you will be getting paid training. The company's name is ClearDesk, and the company is hiring for data analyst remote position. This is a full-time role. So ClearDesk is basically into sourcing, recruiting, and management of overseas talent as they work with their clients. And the company's mission is to provide exceptional service that exceeds expectations, and the company is mainly into offering remote staffing solutions. They used to recruit overseas talent and then pair them with their clients. The company is looking for an experienced data analyst who will be responsible for conducting thorough research, verifying contact information, and ensuring the accuracy and completeness of data. In this role, you will be required to have a high level of technical proficiency, effective communication skills, and the ability to manage multiple tasks efficiently. About skills and qualifications, the company is looking for candidates with a college degree and preferably with a background in computer related courses, for example, computer science, IT, or data management. The company asks for NBI clearance or police clearance certificate once they hire the candidate. You should be comfortable with using HubStaff, that is a time tracking application, and you should have proven experience in data research, validation, or a related field, and strong research, organizational, and multitasking abilities. You should have strong research skills. You should be tech savvy and proficient in using multiple software platforms. And you should have professional level English, written and verbal, both written as well as verbal or voice. And or you should have computer or laptop with access to the internet. And minimum speed of the internet should be around the 25 Mbps. And here is the hardware requirement. So for hardware requirement, you should have at least 720p HD webcam, a noise cancelling headset, at least 25 Mbps primary internet connection, and you should also have a backup laptop and backup internet connection device and backup power supply in case of power outage and emergencies. The minimum recommendation for your main computer is a Intel Core i5 or equivalent with 8 GB RAM or higher. For backup computer, Intel Core i3 4 GB RAM will work. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities. So here as a data analyst, you will be researching and verifying contact information and other data. You will be entering validated data into the client system accurately and on time. And you will be ensuring all data is complete and current, resolve any issues that come up during research or data entry, track work hours using the client system. You will be assisting with other administrative tasks as needed. So the job role is simple, and here the company has not asked for any of the particular experience. The main requirement is that you should have a background in computer related courses. For example, if you are a BTech in computer science or IT or data management, you could be a good fit for this position. And you should have professional English level, and you should be ready with your computer or laptop and the internet connection, both main as well as backup internet. Now let's check out about the compensation and benefits. For the role of data analyst, ClearDesk is offering a competitive hourly rate, which will be around 42,500 Philippines peso per month. And based on your experience, it comes around 63,000 INR per month. This is a permanent work from home position, and here you will be getting bonuses and incentives and paid training. Once you get hired, you will be required to provide the NBI clearance or police clearance certificate, and you will be getting paid training before starting the job role as a data analyst. So I think this is a great opportunity for people who are looking for work from home opportunities and they are not having much of the experience. If you have background in computer science, here is a great opportunity for you. You can apply for the job from here. This is the application form that you can fill up and provide all the details. So go ahead and check out all the details and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.